can't tell, I've met up with Scott. Shut up, you. We're on our way into town now. We've just gone past the construction site. We're building new houses. So, shut up, you. This is the kind of pain I put with every single morning. Well, most mornings if I can go to get up. Yeah, because most times I stay in.
You stay in and then we have to get.
Yeah, my mum has to give us a lift to school.
Gosh, Morgan is a lazy bastard.
Shut up. I know I am. Oh, boggy. Yeah, I am a lazy bastard. Why are you there?
What's behind you?
Damn it. Anyway.
That light is really bright.
Yeah, I know it is. I don't know why. Anyway, it's staying on. We're not turning it off.
I'll probably go blind and then fully blind.
We're staring into it. Yeah, so Subway. So you're getting a Subway? You getting a drink?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a drink.
Good, I'm thinking. I don't know why. I'm thinking black coffee this morning.
I was actually thinking dandelion and burdock.
Ooh, that's a good shout.
There's no fish and chip shop in town. And I've just walked past one.
You have it?
Box Lane.
Oh yeah. No, but if you walk straight down Box Lane to go get that one.
I know, but we walked past Box Lane.
Well, won't we still have one in news agencies we're going anyway?
Yeah, I know, but it's like you can't have a dandelion and burdock without fish and chips.
Yeah, you have a point. I want to go down Gilligan then.
No, we're not going down Gilligan. We don't associate with Gilligan.
Why not? Gilligan's fish is so nice.
Gilligan, no, it's just a street.
Well,
like Gilligan fish and chips, it'd be like an 8 on a 10, but because it's down Gilligan, it goes down to like a -3.
Just because it's down Gilligan?
Just because it's down Gilligan.
Oh wow, that's racist. That's racist. That's racism.
Streetist.
Yeah.
I'm a streetist like my daddy and his daddy before.
Was that James who just went past?
Maybe.
Yeah. I might insert the video of him falling over in it.
I think we should run up to the car to see if it is James and then...
No, I'm not running to make it. This footage will be so blurry if I start running. Alright, we'll see you guys in town. We're going to meet Jodie. That should be fun actually.
Oh my god.
I'm making chocolate.
Morgan, like, suck farts for a living. I know. Oh, this light is really hating me.
Exactly.
Do I look horrible?
I don't know, can't see it. Hi Robin, having fun back there. Quicker.
I'll go to Subway off.
Yes, I'm going to get Charlotte Subway. Yeah. Do you catch Ray Scott? Yeah, whenever you see Scott's videos, that's what his intro is going to be. You've heard it here first, it's going to be his intro.
I'm falling.
You falling? Falling. You got some Nobby's
Well,
nuts?
beautiful.
You got some Nobby's nuts, have you?
I've got some Nobby's nuts.
Nobby's nuts.
Got some Nobby's nuts.
It's up for you, you can do if you want. See, everyone's in my videos, everyone's. Yeah, that's why the light's on.
It's a very bright light.
I know, it's actually hurting my eyes now.
Yeah,
Yeah, see these.
Oh no, my eyes are falling off.
Best friend.
You've been downgraded. You're downgraded, I'm up.
Yes.
I'll get a KFC.
Yeah, what, you eat specialty dish?
Who the fuck do you think you are? I'm a second girlfriend.
Oh, sorry, second girlfriend. Yeah, that's what my dad calls her, it's weird.
Best friend.
Yeah, you've been upgraded
I
as
thought
a
you were
best
going to
friend.
say... I thought you were going to say your dad's your second girlfriend then.
Yeah, my dad's my second girlfriend. Ah, that's going to work.
I thought that's what you were going to say.
No, my dad's not my second girlfriend.
Fuck off.
No, he just said my dad's my second girlfriend.
That's what I thought he was going to say.
No, why would I say my dad's my second girlfriend?
That's just how it was
I
going.
know the second girlfriend right.
Nania.
I like that guy.
Yeah. Well, since we're walking now.
I see Morgan more than his fucking first girlfriend though.
Yeah, she has a point, to be honest.
I'm still the best friend.
Oh, shit.
What do you think you are?
She gives me food, it upgrades her, okay? That's how it
I
works.
don't need to give you food to upgrade, to be fair.
No.
I'm just great anyway.
I beg to differ.
Father Bob,
Took
took
a
the
pound.
phone round more.
It looks like I would have not found a person after him.
Morning, Father Bob.
Morning.
Thank you.
Morning.
Father Bob made a legend. Welcome for fun now. Right, now walking to Subway. I'll see you when we get back out.
Whoa.
Got Jodie singing. Got Jodie singing. Got a fat cunt behind me. Got one drinking Dr Pepper. And he's got a bush lip.
You're horrible, you.
Yeah, I used to go on YouTube and Facebook and everything.
I'm not going to be famous.
You're going to be famous. I'm going to link you down in the description to what is it? Twitter, yeah, to your Twitter. And Instagram.
Oh, yeah, mate.
At JodyBoom99 and whatever the fuck she's called.
Yeah, fucking what?
Whatever.
And what's my Instagram?
What?
Oh.
At JodyBoom99.
Oh shit, what's my Twitter?
At JodyBoom99.
Oh shit.
I have them both.
Know what mine is.
Because you're in nub.
What's my Facebook?
Jody Broom.
Yeah!
Oh shit. I'll bleep that out.
Bleep.
Babe.
Yeah, I've got the bleep.
No, because I'll know it anyway. If you put my Instagram and Twitter on it.
Oh yeah, you have a point. So you probably just get a lot of weird friend requests from people.
Like, hey babe.
Yeah.
As long as it's a good looking fact.
And
I don't accept the good looking ones.
and then I just go.
You know what's funny? I don't accept the weirdos. I only accept
Whoa.
the good looking people.
What?
Yeah, like them fucking.
Alright. It's alright, mate.
Yeah.
There we go.
Hold on, Jesus Christ, give me a nut.
No!
Give me some nuts.
Oh
It's gonna get so weird because you weren't even in the video.
I was talking to Danny last night and he told me that if you eat loads and loads of nuts, you can end up getting allergic to them.
What the half?
You can if you eat them loads, you end up getting allergic to them so then you can die.
So basically this holiday that I've been on this summer, I had like 15 gallons of pistachio ice cream. I'm gonna be allergic to them.
No,
I don't need it.
No.
Yeah, but it's still got nuts in the ice cream and my arm's hurting because of my bag.
What's your ice cream?
Yeah.
Didn't
you
It's
know?
disgusting.
It's
Yeah.
amazing.
It is the most disgusting ice cream ever.
It's not. Robin, you're ending this. Is it nice or not? I'm pointing the camera at this. You can turn around. You don't like it? Oh,
It's awful.
I win outright because I have the camera. No, it's off. Yeah, she has a point.
My eyes are watering now.
What, from when you nearly bust your lip?
Yeah. From when, no, it's from when I sprayed deodorant in my face.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he wanted to borrow my deodorant the other day. We walked to school and he sprayed it, but it went into his eye. So we walked to school and my eye turned watery. What? Oh, it's Adam's special school.
That would be below that.
Oh right, oh yeah, it's the place where we got robbed last week. Yeah, we had an armed robbery in town. This place got robbed. Yeah. Having fun back there, you two. Well, Scott's crossing. I don't like it. No. Yeah. Pimp mate. Call me. 21734 find me 56. That's basically all we do on a morning. So I'm going to friend this here. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe for more today. See you probably next Tuesday for more Subway Tuesday. Probably. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.